Alright, so this is the first video. What I'm going to go ahead and do is bring up the emulator. I'm just going to go ahead and hard restart it. Alright, so now we have the emulator. We've already shown the create account and everything. All the new features of the app are here upon login, so we'll go to demo@gmail.com, enter our password, and log in. You're gonna go hit OK, then navigate to the home page. So the cool thing that we added here is that we will have like a list of books that we can see that are available, as long as our user's email is listed on the edited or shared with function. So if we click on the book, then here we can see which it would be a picture of the picture loaded. But you can just see everything about the book. We're going to drop that back down. You see everything about the book and make changes to it, so you can edit. And then whenever you save, it would edit this format. And then as you can see, it says created by demo@gmail.com, which means I can also see it. Or that's the main reason why I can see it. Now, if I believe I can scroll down somewhere. Oh, so if you see the shared with function or the shared with part, we have an extra@gmail.com. So that means that extra will also be able to see this book within their shared with me column or share with me function, which I will demo here in a second. But let's just go ahead and change this to, instead of 2019, we'll go 2017. And save. And now it reads 2017. That actually changes in the database as well. So here we're going to go ahead and hit sign out. And we're going to go to extra. So here on extra, we don't have any books here, but what we can do, we can look at the ones that are shared with us. And there's that underline that was shared with us by demo@gmail.com. And so all the books that we have shared with us will be able to see here. And all the books that we edit will be here. You can also create a new book. So let's just go ahead and start creating a new book, and we'll see, and we'll share it with demo@gmail.com as well. hit save, and that brings up this book. Now, if we want to go back and edit this, hit save, and either way, it still shows that we can edit this actively. And I'm about to switch back over to our demo just to showcase that as well. Okay. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and sign out. Go to demo. And here we still only see underline, but now whenever we go to shared with me, we'll have Equal Justice. Great book, highly recommended. Alright, and that shows most of the additions to the app. Thank you.